Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is situated in the Beijing Yishuang Economic and Technological Development Zone. Throughout the entire process from procurement, manufacturing, storage to transportation, we implement an extremely detail-oriented quality management system. The use of such an impeccable management system and advanced ERP management tools helps us to ensure that our products are of superior quality and they are delivered in a timely manner. Our in-house manufacturing and R&D capabilities allow Beijing.sincoheren to offer personalized OEM and ODM services as per customer requirements.